Hello friends! In the previous video, we learned how to create a script. And today we will create a full-fledged video based on that script. Now I will show you step by step how to do all of this. Look, once we've made the script, we find ourselves on the storyboard page. Here we need to fill in all the fields, and it's very important to do it correctly. Why? Because this will help you save as many credits as possible. Because if you fill something out incorrectly or choose the wrong model, you'll end up regenerating. And each new regeneration will cost you credits. So listen to me carefully, this is important. The first thing we need to do is create our main characters. Here we have Masha and the bear. We're making a cartoon about Masha and the bear. We have two options. We can either generate the characters here or upload our own. If we want to upload, for example, if we already have ready-made characters, we click here and upload our picture with our character. Or if we don't have our own character and we want to generate one here, we click this button. We click it and our character is generated automatically. The same applies to the second character. Click it and it's generated. If we have a lot of characters and don't want to click on each one, we can press this button and all the characters will start generating automatically. Next, we have a section for the narrator's voice. We can click on it and here we can choose the narrator's voice. We have two models available, Grok and 11 Labs. We can select and listen to each model, and once we've chosen the one we like, we save it. Next, we have a section where we can upload reference images. So if we want to upload an image of a location or some objects to be included in the film or cartoon, we upload them right here in this section. Masha has already been created and so has Misha. We check, and if everything suits us, we continue. If something doesn't suit us, we can regenerate it. I like everything, so I continue. We've figured out the reference images, so let's scroll down. Let's expand this area, and here we need to choose a model for generating video and a model for generating images. What should you pay attention to when making a selection? First, pay attention to the cost. The cost is indicated here. This is the price in credits per second. When you generate, don't rush to choose the most expensive models right away. Try generating with the simpler models first, check the quality, and if it doesn't suit you, then go for the more expensive models. The same applies to the image generation models. Don't rush to pick the most expensive ones right away. Let's choose a model for video generation. Let's choose a model for image generation. After that, select the format, either 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, and choose whether you need music or not and which style you want. The style we have is 3D Pixar. After that, scroll down and here you'll find all your scenes. You need to generate an image for each scene first. There are two options. The first option is to click Generate Images right here, and all the images will start generating automatically at once. But I recommend using the second method. We will generate them manually by clicking this button. So when you click here, only the image for the first scene will be generated. Why is that? So that we can check what kind of image gets generated and decide whether we like it or not. And if, for example, we don't like the image and realize that the generation model isn't delivering, we can switch the model and avoid wasting credits. Because if we click the button and all the images are generated at once, we've already paid for them. It's clear. But before we click this button, we open this section here again and read the prompt for generating the image. And you can also read the prompt for generating the video right away, because later, after we generate the images, we'll be animating those images. We can read it right away. If something doesn't look right, click on the pencil icon. Here, we can make changes, confirm them, and they will be saved. If everything looks good, click the generate button and wait for the image to be created. Alright, the image is created, and I like everything about it. And then I do the same with all the other images. Friends, after we've generated all the images, we need to animate them. To animate them, we click this animate button. But before that, we check the animation prompt here, read it, and make sure everything is fine. After that, we click the animate button and wait for the animation. You can do this for all the images at once or one by one. I recommend doing it sequentially, step by step. Why? Again, so that if it's not the right model, you can choose a better one. Wait for the generation and do exactly the same with all the other animations. So, friends, we've generated the animation for all our frames. After that, we need to click Export Final Video, right here. Click it again. Now we wait. It'll take about a minute and everything will be ready. So, friends, our video is ready. Let's take a look.
Deep in the enchanted forest lived a very patient bear.
Hello? Is anyone home? I want to play right now.
But the bear was away, enjoying a quiet afternoon fishing.
Oh no, My beautiful, tidy house is a complete disaster.
Look at me, Bear! I can jump really, really high!
The poor bear tried to find a peaceful hiding spot.
Found you. Now we can play a game of tag.
They ran through the garden under the warm summer sun.
This sweet strawberry jam is the best thing ever.
Finally, even the busiest little girl needs a nap.
Tell me, isn't this just magic? Together in just 10 minutes, we made an awesome cartoon. Now, when we want to download it, there's a download button, or you can publish it directly to YouTube, publish it to Instagram, or add subtitles. Choose what you need and click. That's it, friends. This brings our lesson to an end. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create any cartoon or music video just by using a reference video. You upload your own video, and the system automatically creates the same thing for you. Want to see how? Then stay tuned for updates. See you next time. Bye.